You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love has arrived. And thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of
Katie. Where do I even begin? First off, I can't even put into words how beautiful you look today. You're everything I've ever dreamed of and more. From the first time we met, you've had me captivated. Even after canceling on me last minute on my first date and throwing me for a few surprises, I've been all in on you since the beginning. I fell in love with your joy for life, your infectious energy, your drive to achieve success in all of your endeavors, and of course, your dance moves.
Beautiful, sweetheart.
Wow, Katie.
You changed my life quickly for the better in so many ways, and I couldn't be more thankful. I went from making turkey burgers and frozen veggies for dinner to having home-cooked 4-course meals. I went from a quiet life with no responsibilities to being a pet owner overnight.
Lane, 1,316 days ago, I met you, and my life changed forever. I knew you were the one pretty early on. Maybe it was because I saw how much you paid attention to detail, and you cared about my well-being from the start. As you got me a book titled Breathe, because I snored during our first sleepover. Very nonchalant of you. Or maybe it was when you drove at 5 p.m. LA rush hour traffic to see me and try your first KDA meal. You didn't blink an eye to do all of my 17 dishes. I use a lot of pans. Whenever it was, it didn't matter because I never looked back.
Today, Catherine Reed Austin and Lane David Armstrong join themselves in the union of marriage.
When I was younger and I thought about marriage, I always thought of the cliche of you'll marry your best friend. Well, standing here today, that saying cannot ring more true. You're my best friend in every sense of the word, can't wait to share every little thing that happens in my day with you. Nobody makes me smile, laugh, cry, feel, and love the way that you do. We've just started our journey together, and I cannot wait for the rest of our lives together and to start a family. You're everything to me, Katie. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life making you the happiest girl in the world. I love you.
Okay, so
And welcome to this joyous celebration of life. I'd like to extend a great joy to yourselves.
Ones who won't be forgotten, but cherished from year to year. And now as we pause to remember, let us all fall.
ever since we met, you've become my everything. My workout buddy, my hosting partner, my first call when something good or bad happens. And I'm sorry, but forever Instagram boyfriend. There's nothing that makes me happier than the in-between moments with you. It's the simple day-to-day things that make me love you. It's 100 kisses when I wake up in the morning. It's 1,000 different nicknames you give me on a daily basis. It's the way you hold Millie in front of the fireplace after we give her a bath so she doesn't get cold. It's the greeting and the hug I get to give you when you come home from work every single day. It's the way I haven't navigated through an airport in my own in years because you have you guiding me. When I think about you becoming a dad, it makes me so emotional because I know you're going to be the best dad in the entire world. I see the way you care for our Millie girl and it melts my heart. She adores you and you adore her, and I can't wait to start a family with you.
Mr. and Mrs. Armstrong.
Like a sound you hear that lingers in your ear, but you can't forget from sundown to sunset. Nah, nah. It's all in the air, you hear it everywhere. No matter what you do, it's gonna grab a hold on you. California soul. California soul. Cause it's really such a groove now. Puts a brand new kind of thinking in your mind, and you can't go wrong cause you're grooving all day long. California soul. California soul. We have a melody and a
Katie, one thing I'll say about Katie is that she is, as Emma Dyson said at the rehearsal dinner, the most authentic person and true to herself of anyone I know. Lane, you know, he lets Katie be Katie, but more importantly, he doesn't just let Katie be Katie. He appreciates and loves Katie for who she is. You know, all the other boyfriends, we'd always like, you know, she can do better, you know. And it was, we had dinner with Lane and we saw Katie and it was like, he's the one. And I would say welcome to our family to Lane, but he's already been a member of our family for the last 2 years.
the weddings, of what it would look like, or the dresses that we'd wear. We really only talked about the heart of the person that we hoped to end up with. And my heart is just so happy that you found that heart in Lane. And of course, it's the most beautiful wedding you could ever imagine.
Things ain't been going my way, you know I need you here. You clear my mind all the time. And baby, the way you move me, it's crazy. It's like you see right through me and make it easier. Believe me, you don't even have to try. Oh, because you are the best thing. You are the best thing. You are the best thing ever happened to me. Baby, come a long way, baby. You know I hope and I pray that you believe me when I say this love will never fade away. Oh, because you are.
I tell Katie one small story, she'll still act like it's the biggest and best thing she's heard all day. Katie makes everyone feel seen and heard. One of my other favorite things about Katie is how she is such a good sport about people poking fun at her, and I definitely do my fair share of that. She has a gift of not taking herself too seriously and is able to laugh at herself. This is such an endearing quality in anyone. Lane, you are thoughtful and you always ask questions. You don't just passively exist in Katie's world, you dove in head first, and you made connections with her friends and family instantly and effortlessly. I know that your mom is looking down on you and smiling. We all wish that she could be here today, but know she was the best mom and raised you and Carly so well. It's apparent through how you treat your friends and family, but most importantly, how you love Katie A.
You are the best thing.
He cares. And he gives all of us, his friends and his family, so much time and so much focus. I think we can all agree it is borderline annoying sometimes. We've been to 29 weddings together, and this is our 30th wedding together.
My dream and my wish for us tonight is for us to just party so hard and dance to the dawn of day size. So thank you guys all so much.
Lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I would try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby?
You in my space, I won't let go of you.
pasta with you once a week. I vow to let you use me as a prop in your TikToks. I vow to beat you at tennis one day, hopefully sooner rather than later. I vow to be the best father to our children, and I vow to always put you and our family needs first.
I vow I will not always use your side of the bathroom sink. Just kidding. In all seriousness, I vow to support you through thick and thin. I vow I will always stay genuine, loyal, faithful, and true to you always.